Actually, in our locality, there are lots of people. They think that we need to have a lot of time to learn English. What do you think? How much time do we need to learn English?
If any person think over this matter that I need just communication skills, so I think that 3 months.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। সম্মানিত বন্ধুরা, আমরা এক রিক্সাওয়ালা ভাইয়ের কাছে আসছিলাম, যেই ভাই ইংরেজিতে ছাড়া কথাই বলে না। সেই ভাইয়ের নিজের লেখা একটি বইও আছে। আমরা তার কাছ থেকে কিছু সাক্ষাৎকার নিয়ে আপনাদের মাঝে উপহার দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব ইনশাআল্লাহ। ভাই ভালো আছেন আপনি?
জি ভালো আছি।
আচ্ছা, আপনাদের এখানে একজন রিক্সাওয়ালা আছে, যেই ভাই শুধু ইংরেজিতেই কথা বলে, ইংরেজি ছাড়া কথা বলে না। সে কোথায় বলতে পারেন?
আচ্ছা তো এই যে ওই যে
এই ভাই, জি আচ্ছা, তার সাথে একটু কথা বলি। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
ভালো আছেন?
জি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, by the grace of Almighty Allah.
আচ্ছা, আপনাদের এখানে কেউ ইংলিশ ভালো পারে? আপনি নাকি ইংরেজি ছাড়া কথা বলেন, আসলে সত্য?
Yes, I love speaking English all the time. I try my level best to speak English.
থ্যাংক ইউ। আচ্ছা, কেউ ইংলিশ ভালো পারে এখানে? জি, আপনি একটু এদিকে আসেন তো।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম রহমতুল্লাহ বরকাত। ভালো আছেন?
জি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো আছি।
জি, আপনি একটু এটা লাগাই নেন। আপনি একটু তাকে কয়েকটা ইংরেজিতে কোশ্চেন করেন, আর তার কাছ থেকে আমরা একটু জানবো সে ইংরেজিতে কত দক্ষ। ইংরেজিতে নাকি কথাই বলে না সে, আর সে রিক্সাওয়ালা হয়ে কীভাবে ইংরেজিতে এত দক্ষ হয়েছে। হ্যাঁ বলেন।
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Actually, I have some question.
Okay, please go on.
There are lots of people in our country, so they are not good at in English. So for the first time, which type of thing should they do?
Okay, if any person wants to learn speaking English, if any person, most of the student, most of the person think over this matter that I have to develop my English and I have to be good speaker. So if they think over this matter, first of all, they have to seek a mentor. They have to need a roadmap. After that, they should try. And I think and I believe it strongly that within short time, that is going to be possible for that person, for them to be a good speaker.
Wow, absolutely amazing, sir. You are a rickshaw puller, so do you respect all profession?
Yes, as I'm a rickshaw puller, but I love speaking English all the time. I speak English, and I believe it strongly that if I speak English, if I try my level best to teach speaking English, so I think that it is possible for me to teach. Okay, so your question is that. Do I love all profession or not, right? Yes, I love all profession. As I am a rickshaw puller, most of the person hate it. Most of the person think over this matter, oh my God, you are a rickshaw puller. That means this is a very poor profession. That if you pull rickshaw, so you can't get respectation. But I respect all the profession. It may be cobbler, it may be barber, nothing else. All profession.
Okay, so for the first time, if any person wants to learn English, which type of thing should they do for the first time?
Okay, if any person wants to learn English, if any person wants to develop their English, so that person should seek a mentor. That mentor will guide them, and you have to learn this way, you have to learn it. And I think that vocabulary is must. If you know that Pakistani language, if you know that Hindi language, if you know that Arabian language, so I think that you know that vocabulary is must. So first of all, you have to develop your vocabulary. After that, you can develop this skill. I think so.
Wow, that's absolutely amazing. I should not address you, Mama. I should address you as a sir. So,
Thank you so very much.
Do you have any types of environment to teach English? You are a rickshaw puller. Besides, do you teach English?
Okay, as you know that I love pulling rickshaw, and beside this, that I have an institute at Mohammadpur that I love teaching English. There is an institute that I teach how to speak English.
That means which type of experience have you gathered? You try to share with people, right?
Yes, right you are.
Okay. So, sir, do you have any types of books?
Yes, I have a book. The book name is Spoken Booster. If any student think over this matter, then I have to develop my English. I have to develop my English. So I think that book is going to be very much useful. That book is going to be very much, I think that convenient for a student.
Wow, absolutely amazing.
ভিডিও দেখছিলাম আমি, যে ভিডিওতে বলা হয়েছিল যে অনেকগুলো আমরা ইংরেজি ভাষা দেখে আসে অনেক আপনার ছাত্র আর কি, তারা বলতেছে যে আমি তার কাছ থেকে শিক্ষকতা যোগ্যতা অর্জন করবো আর কি, আপনার কাছ থেকে টিউশনি করতে চায় তারা।
Right.
আমি একটা ভিডিওতে দেখছিলাম, অনেকে কমেন্টে এভাবে লিখছে। আপনি এই বিষয়ে কি বলবেন, যে রিক্সা চালাতে এটা ভালো না?
Right you are, but I love it, and my father was a rickshaw puller. My father was a rickshaw puller. I learned it by my intention that I love it. That's why I have learned this language. And you told that is it better or not? Okay, teaching English is a very lovable thing. If any person wants to learn this language, I can teach them.
আপনার এত সুন্দর ইংরেজি বলা দেখে আমি তো আপনার প্রেমে পড়ে গেছি।
Thank you so very much. I love it.
আমি তো আপনার ছাত্র হয়ে যেতে চাই।
Another thing is that you asked me this question that most of the students wants to develop their English, but they have inertia, right?
Right.
They have inertia. So if any student, if any person think over this matter that I have inertia in my tongue, so I'm gonna suggest you that there are some tongue twister. If you practice this within short time, you will be a good speaker. That take the total team in the ticket and to take the test of ability is in the teacher, Mr. Tongue twister, tattooed in his tongue to twist and to learn the later. Canadian copy of KFC campaign for chocolate cake in Cambodia campaign catch the concentration of Cambodians. A pair of paper with the panic of Patrick paid in the first parliament in favor of the party with the passion, passionately to patronize the finished pocket parlor, which are the part of commitment that is in the face of people, parcel paper. So if you practice these kinds of tongue twisters, so I believe it strongly that within short time you can be a good speaker, inshallah.
Sir, I have only one last question, please. If actually in our locality there are lots of people, they think that we need to have a lot of time to learn English. What do you think? How much time do we need to learn English?
If any person think over this matter that I need just communication skills, so I think that 3 months are enough.
3 months.
3 months enough. So
Okay.
if you need communication skill, and if you have these kinds of target, if you have this kinds of intention that you have to be a good speaker, you have to be a trainer. If you have that kind of intention, so I believe it strongly that you have to spend 6 months time. More than 6 months time. After that, you can be a good speaker. Okay, but you have to love it. You have to have that kind of passion. Otherwise, it's not possible for you to be a good speaker.
Okay, sir.
আচ্ছা আপনি বলছিলেন আগে যে আপনার একটা লেখা বইও নাকি আছে
জি, জি।
একটু বুকটা আমাদেরকে দেখান
Sure. I have a book. The book name is Spoken Booster. So if any person, if any student think over this matter that I have to learn this language anyhow by hook or by crook, so I think that this book is going to be very much helpful for you. So just try to collect this book and develop your English language. I believe this that it would be very much convenient for you. Most of the person of our country, they think over this matter, I have to develop my English, but they can't get any opportunity, they can't get any content, they can't get any resource, materials. So I think that this book is going to be very much helpful if any person wants to develop.
নিজের লেখা বই
Yes, I have written this book.
Whoa. Absolutely amazing.
তাহলে এটা আপনি সেল করতেছেন এখন
Yeah, I sell this book, alhamdulillah. And
How much is it?
price is 390 taka, only 390 taka.
Okay. So if any person wants to take it, so how can they take it?
They can take by number. Here is the number, contact number, or you can SMS us. You can send a SMS, and
আপনার কন্ট্যাক্ট নাম্বারটা একটু বলে দেন
my contact number is 01521 339163. 01521 339163.
Okay.
আপনার এখনো কোশ্চেন আছে
Sir, actually I have lots of questions to you because from another side, as a Rukshapulur, you are speaking like a native speaker. It's really amazing. I have been so astonished.
Thank you so very much. It's my
Actually,
pleasure.
You have a book, so I want to know that there are lots of people and they buy lots of books. So do you think that it is whole thing? There are lots of things.
Okay, I got a point. And when I learned this language, when I felt that I have to learn this language, I have to speak English one day, and I have to be a bullet speaker. But that time I couldn't get any material. And this time I found it, and I thought this that I have to write a book, and this book will be very much helpful. If any student think over this matter that I have to learn a language, I have to learn English language, there are no perfect book. I think so. So this book will be very much perfect. There will be lots of materials. If any student think over this matter, I have to develop my English, so I think that this is going to be outstanding book for you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. That's really amazing.
থ্যাংক ইউ সম্মানিত বন্ধুরা আমরা যে ভাইটির সাথে কথা বলছিলাম আসলে ভাইটি নিজেকে ইংলিশের ভিতরে কিন্তু একজন বুলেটের মতো কথা বলে আর কি তার মুখ থেকে এত পরিমাণে ইংলিশ এত চর্চাভাবে এত সুন্দরভাবে বের হচ্ছে বাংলা ভাষাও কিন্তু এত সুন্দরভাবে উচ্চারণ করা সম্ভব না ইংরেজি ভাষা সে এত পরিমাণে উচ্চারণ করছে ভাইটির জন্য সবাই দোয়া করবেন আর ভাইটির লেখা বইটি যারা নেবেন তার কন্ট্যাক্ট নাম্বারে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন সবাই ভালো থাকবেন সুস্থ থাকবেন আল্লাহ হাফেজ আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু
Assalamu alaikum.
প্যাকেট করা লাগবে আপনার লেখা বই আমি দুইটা বই আর দিন অর্ডার দিয়ে আনছি অনলাইনে
নাম কি ভাই?
নাম মোহাম্মদ সাদুল ইসলাম
বইয়ের নাম
কি জানি না আমি পড়ি না তারপরে আমার বাইকটা ডাকি পেলো বা এই কক্সবাজার গেছিলাম তারপর দেখি না দিয়ে গেছে
এই আপনাদের কাছে কার্ড আছে, কার্ড দিলে কার্ড দিয়ে দাও। এই আসলে আপনাদের কাছে কার্ড আছে। আচ্ছা